Welcome to Disney's Caribbean Beach Resort. We are back. We are in a preferred handicap accessible room. So this will be pretty different from the, well, at least in some places, pretty different from the standard room. So let's take a quick look around. Here we have my beloved pineapple table. I like this table very much. 2 chairs, we have a mirror, light above with the chain, air conditioning unit, curtains, the entry door, the brown like thatching. This one, instead of a coat rack over here, has a full-length mirror. We have the 2 beds. These are actually off the ground, but I don't think you could really fit a bag under there. Room phone, 2 USB and 2 standard outlets are there. I don't know about this headboard. This headboard just doesn't win me over. I like the lights though. The Caribbean art of a port and an island. We have our drawers. Let me shut this TV, it's making a bad glare. Of course, our remote is wrapped, given the current situation. Have our ice bucket, cups, coffee supplies, our Cuisinart coffee maker. We have 6 drawers, all on either side of this guy, which is our mini fridge, which has the see-through door, so you know if you have stuff in there. I do have stuff in there. It's our carrot cake cookie from Hollywood Studios is in there. So yeah, we have what you would expect from a Disney moderate resort room, right? What's different here, so instead, it's because they took the room of the closet for the ADA bathroom. We have an actual closet here. Closet unit. There's a shelf up there, hangers. We have extra bedding down at the bottom. We have an ironing board. Do we have an iron? Where's the iron? I might have to call them. Unless the iron's in the bath. Oh, the iron, weird. The iron's in the bathroom. Okay, so the ironing board, strangely enough, is out here. The iron itself is in the bathroom with the safe. So the safe is still in the same place, just about as usual, which, because this is usually the closet. We do get some added art here of oranges in a market. Very cute. Very cute. Okay, so there's that. So yeah, here's where the ADA bathroom. We didn't request this, by the way. We got it. I figured I would share it with people. Maybe there's some of you who need it and might find this review of some use. So yeah, the toilet's over here. All the garbage receptacles. This will look familiar. This is the vanity that's in the other rooms, just in a different place. We do have the makeup mirror with the light. Obviously this is a little bigger to get a chair through if need be. We have our amenities there, towels. And then we have the tub and shower. The amenities on the wall. Towel rack. There's a towel rack over there too. And I don't really know what else to say. I mean, you've seen these rooms before. I like Caribbean Beach. I think they're pleasant rooms. I think they've got a nice splash of color and they're thematic and they're very pleasant. So if you need an ADA room, I don't know what makes this preferred. We might be near a pool or something. Again, we didn't pay for preferred either, so I don't even know what exactly I'm near that makes this preferred. We're not near the Skyliner nor really that close to the main building, but there you go.